Theresa, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. Thank you so much for your recent online interest through the Benefit Hub auto buying service. Looking for information on all new 2019 Honda CR-Vs. Not sure the exact trim package you're after. Out here on the side of my dealership with a few options that we have available. Over 65 CR-Vs in stock, ready for an immediate delivery today. And we have them in different packages. The EX and above models will have all your Honda Sensing suite of driver assist features standard to go along with available top grain leather, heated seats, in-dash navigation. Give me a call today, 205-504-2358. I'll be able to walk you through all the different available options and set you up with a VIP test drive. I'm going to make you this promise: when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.